to make a Eagle paper airplane. First, fold it in half. This will be a bit tricky for me because I have to hold this up, so I will flip it up. So just like this. Should look like this. Whenever you're done, you should fold it like this. I think that's the easiest way. Okay, and now I'll fold the top corners right to the line. Just like that. And now whenever you're done with that step, you can fold that bit downwards to make the wing formation. Just like this. Now whenever you're done with that, fold it in the corners again. And like this. You gotta fold in both, or else it won't work. This will give the shape of the wings. So if you can make it all how you want, the types. Now whenever you're done with that, you flip it over. Now this little flap right here, you gotta pull that and fold it over those two cracks there. And try and put those two areas connected to each other, and then you should have this. Then fold it in half. Try and mix the wings connected just right. Sometimes you will mess up, just like I did this time, but still, it's gonna be okay for the flight. Now, but also you don't want to fold it the wrong way, or else it won't fly right. I literally just did that, so I gotta redo that step. And then fold it down these bits right here. To create the wings. And make sure whenever you open it up, that this bit is in, because sometimes that will fall out during the building process. You just perfectly put it back in. And then this is it. I'll show you how it flies in about a few seconds too, so yeah. Let's go with this. Yeah. This is kind of blurry though. Okay. So I'm gonna flip it around. It's my house, and look what happens now. That's my plane in full action. See you later, and I'll teach you how to make a new plane tomorrow.